So guys, welcome to Pro Boys Cubing. Today I'm going to be teaching you 5 cool looking amazing patterns which you can use to impress your friends, family, and the people around. These are very easy to make and some of these just require 5 moves. 5 moves to make. So let's start. First pattern is called the checkerboard pattern. What you need to do is move the first or the middle layer down 2 times. Again this layer 2 times towards this side. Now rotate your cube like this and do this. Now we have the checkerboard pattern. How cool does it look? In order to undo this, go to any place of the cube. Repeat the same algorithms. Yeah, we have undid this. Now we are going to make the second pattern, which is called the dot pattern. It just takes 4 moves. What are they? You need to do this, now do this, and this. Done. Your dot pattern is done. In order to redo this, go to the same place you may have done that. Do this, this. Let's undo. How easy was that? Now we go to little bit harder patterns. This pattern is called the High Ohio pattern. What you need to do is this, are these moves. Now we have the High Ohio pattern. H-I-O-H-I-O. High Ohio pattern. How cool does it look? Now to redo this, you need to go to the same place you have done.
The plus patterns.
Rotate your cube. Do this. Now move this layer until these colors match. Now we have the plus pattern. To redo this, repeat the same moves. First, undo this. Rotate your cube. Done. This is redone. Now the final pattern, which combines the checkerboard pattern and the dot pattern. First make the checkerboard pattern, and now let's make the dot pattern. Now we have a cool looking daisy pattern. So guys, for more videos and patterns, subscribe.
Subscribe for more.